How to use templates to customize your video content with Pictory. Video content is a powerful tool for businesses and creators, enabling them to connect with diverse audiences across a range of online platforms. Pictory believes that there's a smarter way to create impactful content. The benefits of video templates with Pictory makes it easy to create stunning, professional-looking videos in minutes. After providing content for your video, you can choose a template. Pictory has a wide selection of pre-made styles to choose from. Each template is suited for a different purpose. Here's a look at the library of templates available on Pictory. After you've settled on a final template, click the purple Select button to choose a starting aspect ratio of 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1. Pictory will automatically develop a storyboard based on your content. Explore the left-hand menu bar. You have the option to add elements like stickers, GIFs, and emojis to your video. Add branding to your video by adding your logo anywhere on the screen. Adjust its size and opacity. You can also import pre-made intro and outro content to the beginning or end of your video. You can add music and sound effects to your video, with a selection of over 15,000 tracks to choose from. If your video needs narration, take a look at the voiceover library. Pictory has a range of formats to ensure that you can distribute videos anywhere, and render the video in different resolutions. Experiment with color. Adding different hues can help draw attention to certain elements in your video. Pictory also offers 3 text formats: heading, subheading, and body text. Use the heading format to introduce the topic, subheading for more information, and body text to dive a bit deeper. Video consistency is important to keep in mind when creating digital content. The range of templates that Pictory has to offer takes this concern away, applying a set aesthetic to whatever you create.